Do you have any weapons on you? Other than the metal thing that you're holding?
You think you could just identify me?
Okay.
This isn't Germany. This isn't Gestapo. I haven't broke no laws. Leave me the fuck alone.
Okay.
Thank you.
So
I understand.
Show me the law.
We'll show you at the station. You either identify yourself or they'll take you into custody. You decide.
You cannot keep
It's a simple check.
Yeah, and I said
you could have complied. It would have been
don't
different.
have to comply.
Well, obviously you do. You're in handcuffs, aren't you?
Yeah, because you're a fucking goddamn Gestapo tyrant.
You better stop it now. I'm not messing with you. You better stop.
I ain't done nothing.
Officer Hendrick had no legal basis to demand ID or detain the man for simply being in a Maryville hotel parking lot cleaning his car, as Nottoway County, Missouri enforces the same constitutional standards as the rest of the nation. The Fourth Amendment requires reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime before an officer can lawfully detain someone and demand identification in a public or semi-public place. Merely receiving a call that someone has been in a parking lot for a couple hours, without any report of criminal activity, damage, threats, or refusal to leave, after being asked does not meet the Terry v. Ohio, 1968, standard of reasonable suspicion. The officer repeatedly claimed trespassing, but admitted hotel management never personally told the man to leave, never issued a trespass warning, and never asked police to trespass him. Under Missouri law, trespass in the first degree on property open to the public, like a hotel parking lot, does not occur until the person is given notice by the owner or agent to leave, and then refuses. Since no such warning was ever given on camera, no trespass occurred, and the detention escalated into a blatant Fourth Amendment violation by Maryville police in Nottoway County.
Officer Hendricks, Maryville Police Department. Got a call from hotel management.
Oh, I was just cleaning my car out.
Gotcha. They said you've been out here for a couple hours.
It ain't been that long.
Alright. You got an ID on you, man?
No, there's no reason to ID me.
Okay. What's your
I'm
name?
not doing anything wrong.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm not going to give you that either.
13, you want to head this way. I mean, we got called on you.
Well, that doesn't mean
You've been out here for 2 hours, which would be, do you have a room here?
No, I was cleaning out my car.
So that'd be
I just came into
trespassing.
town. I'm getting ready to leave town.
Okay, so that'd be trespassing.
That's not trespassing.
If you don't have a room here,
Trespassing
and we got called here,
This is
and we got called here,
public.
so.
Just getting ready to put the oil in my car and leave. See?
Okay. What's your name?
That's all you need.
What's your name? What is your name?
I'm not giving you my name, sir.
Okay.
You have no reason to stop and talk to me.
You got warrants or something?
No, I don't.
Okay, so why didn't you give me your name?
Because I don't have to.
Well.
Because I haven't broken any laws, and this is America.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know.
Thank you for coming to make sure I was doing nothing wrong, which I'm doing nothing wrong. So you can go on with your day. I'm getting ready to leave.
Well, you're not free to leave.
Yeah, I am.
So.
I am free to leave.
What
am I being detained for? What law?
They said you were out here for 2 hours.
That doesn't matter what they said.
You don't have a room here, so
That's not
obviously
against the law either.
that would be trespassing.
This is public property. I don't see anywhere.
No,
it
it's
says
not public property. It's private property. The hotel owns this.
Do you see anywhere it says no trespassing?
Hotel owns this.
It doesn't matter. Do you see anywhere?
So it's not public property.
Do you see anywhere that it says
So
that?
it's not public property.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Public comes in, don't they? Public goes in there, don't they?
Do you have your ID on you? You're not gonna ID yourself?
Huh?
I said you're not gonna ID
I
yourself?
haven't done anything wrong, sir. Nothing.
Are you failing to identify?
It's not illegal to fail to identify.
Actually, it is.
I have not broken any laws.
Actually, it is. When I request your
Not giving you it.
information. Okay.
Thank you, though.
Do you have any weapons on you? Other
Why would I tell you
than the
anything?
metal thing that you're holding?
Why would I tell you anything? You think you could just identify me?
Okay.
This isn't Germany. This isn't Gestapo. I haven't broke no laws. Leave me the fuck alone.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, I don't understand what this aggression is towards me because I haven't done anything to you.
Aggression is you keep prying in my questions. I don't have to give you nothing. What's your name?
Okay. Officer Hendricks. I already told you
What's
that.
your address?
I already told. Did I ask for your address?
Yeah, it comes on my ID, don't it?
Oh, I didn't ask for your address
You
though.
ain't getting mine either.
12 dispatch.
Now, free to go?
No.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're
That's where
not.
you're wrong. That's where you're wrong.
No, you're not.
Why am I not free to go? Give me name
you
one
ask
particular
Hotel
crime that I
management
committed.
if they want this suspect
Name one.
trespassed. What's that?
Name one. One thing. One crime. One law I just broke.
I told you, trespassing.
There's no trespassing. They didn't come outside and tell me I needed to leave.
Yeah,
Why would
Give me a warning.
Why would they? I don't blame them for
Exactly.
that. With the
Why
way you're
would
acting.
they? Because it's not a law.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
You know it's not a law, sir. You know it's not a law. And you're breaking my constitutional rights right
No.
now that you took an oath for.
No,
And that
I'm
I can
not.
sue you for.
No.
Yeah. So you better go check. Call your sergeant.
how about you not get in that vehicle?
How about you threaten me and
How about you not
put
get in that
hands on me
vehicle?
for no reason?
I will.
Okay?
You're not going to get in that vehicle.
Sir, you're not allowed to do that. Call your
212,
sergeant.
203. I'm
Sergeant. Sergeant,
I'm headed your way.
back up. Get the fuck out of my space.
Shut your fucking mouth.
Fuck
How about
you.
that?
Get out of my
I don't know
space.
what the hell your problem is.
Get out of my space.
I did not come up to you all aggressive and shit.
Okay, and I
so the
said,
way
no, I'm
you're
not going to
acting-
give you my identity.
Okay.
And I'm getting ready to leave. Did I not?
Except for
now
you're not free
you're
to leave.
causing a fucking scene because I'm
Except
about
for
to
you're
get
not free to
loud.
leave. Except for you're not free to leave.
I'm going to record this shit.
Go ahead, man. It's already recorded.
No, I don't
Look,
fucking trust your fucking cameras.
it's green.
Let me grab
It's
my
recorded.
phone.
You are not grabbing anything out
Sir,
of it.
you
Because I don't know
cannot-
if there's weapons in
This
there.
is my property.
Yeah, except for I don't know if there's weapons in there.
It doesn't matter if there's weapons in there or not. I'm
does.
allowed to fucking have weapons.
No.
Yeah?
I might let
Yeah.
you in there
Why?
because I don't know if there's weapons in there.
I'm not breaking any fucking laws, sir. None. I'm
Okay.
free to go.
No, you aren't.
Yes, I am. I haven't done anything.
No, you aren't. I told you, hotel management called and said you've been here for a
That
couple
doesn't
hours.
mean I broke a law.
It's trespassing.
It's not trespassing, sir. They didn't even
You
come
don't
out
have a
and
room
tell me
here.
anything. So, no name, no nothing.
Okay.
Not cooperating. I do not consent. I'm free to go because you not broken any laws.
Well, this
Thank
is the
you.
sergeant right here.
Have I broken any laws? No.
Okay, so we just got
I
a
do
call
not
from
have to
hotel
consent, do I?
management that he's been out here changing
forcing me to
clothes,
not
messing
leave
with
my
his
car.
car.
My
The plate
property.
doesn't
Get
check
your
back
hands
to
off
him.
my property. As a matter of fact,
He said he's been out here for 2 hours just changing
I
clothes,
didn't say
messing
that.
around.
They
you know.
said that.
He just said he doesn't have a room here.
you can
so-
see all the trash in the damn dumpster I just threw in there.
Okay.
That's
So,
all I was doing, is cleaning out my
You're
damn
not supposed
car.
to use public dumpsters to dump your crap in.
Oh, now it's a public dumpster.
So, I mean,
I haven't done anything wrong, sir. All I did was say, no, I'm not going to give him my name. I'm not doing anything wrong. I just put oil in my car. I'm just hitting the highway to leave. Period.
Okay, well, so far what you have is they've been called here for a lawful reason. Okay,
What law?
I'm going to talk. They're talking about something. They've got a concern. You just said you illegally dumped. So now
That's not illegal.
It is because you didn't rent a room here. You don't have a right to put your stuff, and they pay for that dumpster to get dumped.
That's
no, you're not
that's
talking
not
over
illegal.
me. I guarantee you it is.
It's not
I
illegal.
understand.
Show me the law.
We'll show you at the station. You either
No.
identify yourself or they'll take you into custody. You decide.
You cannot kidnap me. I haven't broken any laws. That's against my
That's the way
constitution.
it's going to go.
No.
Twelve
you're not.
dispatch.
That's
What did the hotel
against my
management say?
Constitution, sir.
Hook him up.
No.
turn around.
No,
Put your
sir.
hands back your back.
Don't fucking get so fucking violent, dude. Why you want to get fucking violent? Okay? Okay? Fuck! You guys are fucking asshole fucks. Can you
This was
grab my
very
phone,
simple.
please, sir?
No, this was very simple. All you do is
What was
comply.
simple about it? What did I do wrong? Nothing. I didn't do a fucking thing wrong. So y'all are illegal search. I do not consent.
That's fine.
Quit fucking spitting in my
put
fucking
your
face, motherfucker.
fucker. Fuck you, dude. Fuck you, you fucking young little bitch. I ain't fucking doing anything wrong, sir. You wanna know my name?
If you-
Raymond fucking Groves.
Okay, you keep acting like this.
Now get my fucking cuffs off me.
Go ahead.
Do you have ID on it?
Fuck you.
There's no ID. It's probably in the
I don't
car.
have an ID. I'm homeless, you fuck.
You feel better about yourself?
Do you?
We got one in custody.
No, that's not the way it goes.
That is the way it fucking
It was a
goes.
simple check.
Yeah, and I
Yeah,
said,
you could have
and I
complied.
said,
It would have
I
been
don't have
different.
to comply.
Well, obviously you do. You're in handcuffs, aren't you?
Yeah, because you're a fucking goddamn Casapo tyrant.
You better stop it now. I'm not messing with you.
Fuck you, bitch.
You better stop.
I ain't done nothing. Not swung one time.
Are those double locked yet?
Are they double lock?
Yep.
Okay, whose car is he going in? Cage. Let's go.
You had no reason for this. You better have a goddamn ticket for this. You better have a fucking ticket for this.
Quit trying to pinch me.
I'm not trying to pinch you, you
trying to
fucking
pinch me.
douchebag. What are you trying to break my wrist?
Quit
you
trying to
fucking
pinch
bitch?
me then.
How the fuck am I pinching you, motherfucker? You're a fucking pussy, dude. You're a fucking pussy.
Get in the car.
Get in the car now.
Oh, wow. You guys are so tough. I do not consent to shit.
You don't have to.
Good.
That's noted.
When you get me down to the station, when you let me out. Because I didn't break any laws, sir.
You're resisting arrest now, so you're actually going to go to jail. You better quit. Do you understand? You're making it a lot worse on yourself.
Do it, sir. Come on. Do it! Do it! I'm fucked up, dude. I'm getting you guys for this shit.
That's fine.
Put your elbow in my chest, please.
No, you turn your head that way and don't worry about it.
All the way back.
I got
elbow out of my
I got his head.
motherfucking neck.
Quit.
I'm not doing anything wrong, you fucking faggots. Get the fuck off me. All of you are getting sued. Every fucking one.
Alright, your sergeant's here.
Thanks.
Is that car on checked in?
Nope.
See, I haven't anything. I don't know.
We haven't even had a chance to run him.
Raymond Gross, I know what he said, so.
213 dispatch. We got an individual, last name of Gross, George Robert, Ocean, Sam. First name is Raymond. See if we can maybe try scanning him out. We're going to look for an ID. Copy.
So, I mean, we're going to tow the vehicle.
Dispatch, also, if you could advise hotel manager to step outside here to us, please.
I pulled up and saw you, and I was like,
We have management coming out here. So.
I didn't have me step out, so. I literally ran.
The arrest was straight up kidnapping with a badge. Once the man asserted he was leaving and had broken no law, any further restraint became a full custodial arrest without probable cause, turning a routine welfare check into a criminal overreach by Nodaway County officers. Probable cause exists where the facts and circumstances within the officer's knowledge are sufficient to warrant a prudent person in believing that the suspect has committed or is committing an offense. Beck v. Ohio, 379 U.S. 89, 1964. The officers had zero evidence of any completed crime. No trespass warning was issued, no one from the hotel came out to say get him off our property, and dumping personal trash into a commercial dumpster that was not posted no non-guest use is at most a civil issue, not a criminal one under Missouri statutes. Arresting him for failure to identify after an unlawful Terry stop is classic fruit of the poisonous tree. Missouri's stop and identify provisions for certain municipalities, but generally tied to reasonable suspicion, only apply when the person is lawfully detained on reasonable suspicion of a crime. There was none here. What the officers did was textbook false arrest and felony deprivation of rights under color of law, 18 U.S.C. section 242, all while screaming at a homeless man who dared to know his rights in small-town Maryville. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories, watch the next recommended video click to watch now.